Hi everybody, welcome back to the craft room with Sylvie. I hope you're all keeping well. I hope you're all keeping fit. I hope you're all doing a bit of schoolwork, and thank you for joining me today for a little bit of fun. So we're going to do some more of the alphabet drawings. So up to now I think we finished on K. So now we're going to do L, M, N and O. So they're all very simple to do and I'm going to show you right now. So for L, I'm going to do, pardon me, I'll do it in black pen so that you can see it. So we'll make the L, and I'm going to turn it into a spider's web by doing this. And then when you're making a spider's web, you just go backwards. It's like doing a backward C. Back and back and back, and then come away a little bit and go back with your C, back and back, and we might do maybe even one more like that, and we might do the spider himself hanging out of it. So that's our L, very simple and easy. So now we're going to do M. So M, I'm going to do it this way. We're going to turn our M into a bit of a shark. And all you have to do to make him into a shark is to give him some nice spiky teeth. Like this. Very simple. They're like little triangles. And then we'll give him a mean eye. Like that. So that's our M. Then we're going to do N. We're going to turn our N into one of those sand timers. You know, the type that the teacher would have in the classroom. So we just make an X in the middle, round the bottom, round the top, and then you'll make your sand here, which I might just do in brown so it looks a bit more like sand. So your sand is here, and it's trickling down like that to the pile on the bottom. So that's very easy. And of course O is going to be the easiest one of all. Can you guess what I'll be doing for O? There's our O. Make it nice and big. O. We're just going to turn it into the sun. And give it two nice eyes. A really big smiley face, because we're always happy when we see Mr. Sun and its rays. So that's our L, M, N and O. Have a go at your alphabet. It's really fun to do it, and I'll just show you what they look like coloured in. So there they are coloured in, but you do it your way. I'm sure you make it look a lot nicer than I've done with mine. So I'll see you real soon again. Looking forward to that. Bye for now.